Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Today I am going to start this lecture JavaFX user interface controls, UI controls. Last lecture we discussed about event-driven programming. Okay, event-driven program. Yani you have buttons. When you click the button, you should calculate the value automatically, or you should move, or you should do some action, close the window when you click the button or mouse is pressed. So these kind of events we have studied in the last class. How to handle the button like OK button, cancel button. Hmm? So these things we have discussed in the last class. Okay, event handling and this hierarchical structure I have explained to you. So what are the input events, what are the output events, what are the action events, window events, etc. Fine. Then how you can achieve this event handling? Three ways. One is lambda, another is anonymous class, another is inner class. So these three different ways to handle the event I discussed you, and I have given to you these programs also. So you refer to that labs what I gave you in the lab 10. I have given you those things. Okay. So today we are going to start some more advanced controls in JavaFX, which is useful for you doing your projects. Okay. Uh, okay. So in this lecture 11, what we will discuss is graphical user interface, how to design and how the user can interact with the system. Okay. So graphical user interface, what it will do, it is very flexible and easy to use, and it will work in different environments. Okay, so you can create this for your business problems and you can achieve your goals. So previously we discussed events. In the last lecture we discussed events. Now in this lecture we will discuss about these different topics, these objectives we will cover. What is a label? What is a text field? What is a button? Okay, so these things. See, button class, from that class you can use button, from label class you can use label, and this method is used to do some action. Radio button, password field, text area, all these is useful to design a form, a page. Okay, so first one you should understand this one. What are the controls? What is the base class, parent class? See, parent class is this one, node. So in that one we are going to discuss this one, label, button, then text area, text field, combo box. These things we will discuss now. In the next slide, next lecture, we will discuss this and this and this. Okay, so here also we have this node class, which is a parent class, and these are the child classes. So everything you want to design a button, you use this one. You want to design a text, you use this one. Okay, so let us see now. Label. Label meaning what is the meaning of label? Label meaning, what is the meaning of label? This is called label. My system is slow. So what we write here, text is nothing but your label. Okay, this one. Then you will design the text box, for example like this. So what is this one? This one is nothing but your label class. This is nothing but your label, and this is your control. This is what? Text box. What is this one? Is text box. Yeah. So like this you will learn how to design this label. Next you have like password. So password box is different. It is not a text box. For example, if you have like this, you need to enter the password. When you type the password, it will be like this. You cannot see the A, B, C, D, something like that. So this is called password field. Password, password field. Yeah. So these are all the controls what you have here. See, password field, text field. This one is text field or text box. This one is label. Okay. So this is what you are going to design now. So to design the label, this is the class called label. You have to use this one. So in this class, you have methods to display this one, username, password, blah blah blah. Okay, so you can give some text there. So you can display the text with the help of this one label. So you have the label class, and in which place you have to display. You want to display the label in the top, bottom, right side, left side. Those all you can do. Okay, so alignment is a property you have for that one. Okay, for the text you want any color, underline, all these properties are there. You can use them. So how you can use them? For example, see here. When I run this one, so here label is the class. So just what you have to use, already created class is there, label. This is all. Look, this is a label. This is the label. This is a label. This is a label. How I did that one is just you have to use this class label. Okay, label object reference variable is equal to new label. Inside this, I want this text. Okay, governorates. How many governorates are there? 11 governorates in Oman. So I am displaying like this, 11 governorates. How many vilayats are there? 61 vilayats. Like this. And this one is the image. So what is the image? This one is the button. I am displaying this image class. Pass. Where is your image? Image is stored under this folder images. See, under the source package, you have to create a folder called image. How? Right click new, like this Java package or Java folder. Then name it as images. Then from internet you copy and download those files here. Okay, so that way. Or see, this is the path I give, lab11 save. This is the picture. Okay, so that only I am displaying here. How? So using the label class. So what you have to do, just simple label L1 is equal to new label. inside, if you want to give any text, you set it here, like Eid Mubarak. So that will be displayed to you on the screen. So you can use any object here. So I have used here like this LV1. Now set the style. If you want the color, green color, okay, border or height, width, so those things you can set it for this one. Understand? So color, see, green color, border, this box is having green color, so FX border color, size 2 pixels, this one. If you make it increase, then that will increase. Suppose for example you make it 5, run. Okay, now it is increased, this one. Okay, little increased. So like this we can do. Okay, so for example this one we want red color. So stop this, run this. I have to restart the application. Okay, we can change that one, colors, everything from here. And then where you are displaying, at which area, I am displaying that in the bottom. So you have bottom, center, left, right, top. Okay, so which area you need to display the text, so that you can. Okay, so here this is at the bottom, this one. Okay, so that is this one, bottom. Text fill color. What is the color of the text? You can give any color. Okay, you have all these colors, black, red, green. For example, okay, should change the color. Okay, so these are some of the properties. For example, this one, for the circle, I will change it to red. Let us see what will happen. It's not coming. This color should change here. To rebuild this one, right? So only basically this is the one. So after you use like this, then L1 dot set text fill, color colon, which one you want, you can give like this. Position L1 dot set alignment, set style. So these things you can do it here. So this is for circle. So another label, if I want another label here, this one, circle. This is another label, rectangle, L3, this one. This is another label, ellipse, L4. Okay, then another one, what is the size of the ellipse? See, ellipse color, white and green. So white inside, outside border green. This one. So all this I am going to add it. See, JavaFX label, we are going to add to ellipse inside this. Okay. Then L5, a pane inside a label. This one. Okay. All these things, what I did is I created an edge box, yani horizontal box. A box I created like this. Inside the box, I have all those things like circle, huh, rectangle, okay, ellipse. These are inside the box. So what is that box? Is this one edge box. I am adding all this one. What is that? LB1, yani label 1. This one. Then LB2, yani this one LB2 circle. LB3 ellipse, this rectangle. Then LB4 ellipse, LB5 this one. All are going to be displayed in this box. Now this is the same story. So finally you have to set it to the scene. All this object you have to set it to the scene. Then set it to the stage. Then show. So this window will have this title, label with the graphic. See, label with the graphic. Okay. So this is the simplest way of using label, how you can use this label. Okay, then so this is the demo what I show you just now. So which class we have? This one, label class. So how you are displaying this one, this text circle using this one. See, you are passing the text there inside that one. Yeah, this method will create a label with the text. This method will create a label with the text and graphic. Graphic means image. Okay, so this code I already shared you in the tutorials. You have this one. Where is that one? This is to ITDR students tutorials labs. This one 11. You import this one here, then you will get all these files. This one. Okay. So this is the simple usage of label. How to use label. Next one, button. I want to create a button means use the button class. There is a class called button. This one. So under that button, same story. Now the control is changed only. First label. See, label we use with empty. Then here button with the text. Button with the picture and image. Okay, so button is a control. What when you press, some action event will takes place. Okay, so JavaFX provides buttons, toggle buttons, yani on off. That is called toggle button. So toggle button you have in the Moodle. You can see in the Moodle. When you go to Moodle, this is called toggle button. This is on, this is off. This is on. Okay, when you click here, it is on. When you click here, it is off. This is called this one, toggle button. Checkbox, it will be a tick mark. So all these are the base class button. Okay, now the example. This is the example. This is important, this one. Last time also it came in the exam. So you have two buttons here. When you click this text should move right side. When you click this this text should move left side. Yani you are going to create an action, set on action. That method you are going to call. So we have already this program to use. Observe this one. What is the code? How it is written to do that action. Okay, so this is the one, button demo. Okay, so button demo is this one. Fine. Now what is a class? Class name is, so you need what? How many buttons? Two buttons are there. So one button BT right. Yani I'm giving any name. You can give this one. This is the name. Okay. What is a text? I give here right. Okay. Image. If you want to give image here, see this is the image. Can you see this one? This small. This one. That is the image. This one. So where I store that one, you can see here. So right, left, down, up. These are all the images which I am going to display there. So simple, you have to use this one, button class, object, new button. What is the text you want? You write it here. Right, I want to display the text as right. And any image, you add the image here. So for the right, for the left, two buttons I created. Also I have up, down, but I will show it later. So right, left, up, down, four buttons I created here. This one. Okay, just let me run this one. Four buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So when I click this, see it is moving right side. When I click this, left side. When I click this, up. When I click this, down. Okay. So like this. So first thing, button and this one. So how you will do button? If you want a button like this here, like login or login button. Suppose you have like this. So this is a button. So simply you use the class called button, b1 is equal to new button. Inside you write whatever you want, login. You want to draw the picture here, put picture here, new image view. Where is the path? Where you save the path? See, this is my path. In this folder I have this image. Okay, so like that you can display in which path you have that image. And this text, see this text, what I am displaying is because of this one, text class. And this one is the location, yani 100th row, 100th column. So there I am going to display this text, Eid Mubarak, like this. There is a row and column, position, coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinate. So text is the class. Right now, how we are moving this one. So when I click this, how it is moving, that we will see. So all these buttons, no, you are going to add it to the pane, yani horizontal box, H box. This is the box. So to this box, we are adding what? Button left, button up, button down, button right. They are all going to place it in the center. And see, the border color is green. This one, the color of this one is green. Okay, that is the one. Okay, then they are going to be set at the bottom. Now that set center text, this text you are going to set it in the center of this window. Okay, now I told you this is the method. So when you click this one left, this method is called, and this is the event lambda expression. So what you are going to do, text dot set x. So what is the value of here? What is a coordinate? I told you you are displaying this one, Ramadan Mubarak or Eid Mubarak. Yeah, Eid Mubarak we are saying. Suppose this coordinate, what is this coordinate? This one. This is what this one? Suppose it is 100 comma 100. Okay, 100th row, 100th column. So at this position I am displaying. So when I click the left button, when I click here left button, you have to move left, no? So how you will go left logically, you think? Tell me. When I click left button, what I have to do in this coordinates, in this 100, what you have to do?
Go to left.
If you want to go to left means which value, what we have to change? This is the coordinate x and y.
X.
X you have to do what? Plus or minus?
Plus. Left or right?
Left.
Minus.
Minus. So you have to do set x coordinate. So what is the text dot set x? What is the value that you are going to do here? Can you see? Set x. So this is to get the current position. So here first what we are doing is text dot where am I? Where is this text now? The computer don't know. So get x. Then minus 10 pixels. Yani little it will move. So this is the formula. When you press left, no, this is the formula. Okay, this one. Like this, same for the right button. When you press right, what you have to do? You have to increase, isn't it? When you press the right button, this value you have to increase. Y value. Y value, this value you have to increase this one. So that is this logic plus 10. Okay, set x, this one. Down also, down means y coordinate. Y coordinate, this one. So that you need to up down. So if you are pressing the up button, minus. If you are pressing the down button, plus 10. Okay, so down button plus 10, up button minus 10. That's it. This is the logic you have to write. So this they will ask in the exam. Okay, it is very simple. It looks like big one, but it is very simple program. So what you have to do, you have to create only 4 buttons. These are the 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add them to the horizontal box. Set them center or in the bottom. So text, you are going to set it, this text in the center, this one. And then action. So when you press left, this one, this action will be taken place. When you press write this action. So x-axis plus 10. When you click this, minus 10. When you click this, minus 10. This one up. When you click this, plus 10. Y-axis up, down. So this is the action you have to do. So this we have to practice. This one important. This one. Okay. So like this, I will give exercise when you come the next week. Okay. So this is button example. Now checkbox. I need to make a selection, tick mark. So again there is a class. Everything is same. Only see, if I want label, I am saying label L1 is equal to new label. If I want button, I am saying button B1 is equal to new button. If I want checkbox, I will say checkbox here. So checkbox CB1 is equal to new checkbox, like this. Then inside that you write the text or something. So this is the one, see, checkbox, okay, with some text. So what text you want, you mention here some text, okay, like agree. Okay, so this, let us see now checkbox, how it will be. See, like this is called checkbox. This one is a checkbox, this one is a checkbox. I want the power, it is not coming here. Now it is coming. Okay, so this is the checkbox which we have. When I tick this, it will be bold. When I tick this, it will be italic. So now let us see that program. So before it is like this. Now which one? Checkbox demo. So for every program I have this one. Now see, I told you what? Same, like this. Okay, so you want it bold, means bold will come there. So you want italic text, the italic text like this will come. So this we are going to put it in the vertical box. Before, what is this box? This box is what? H box. This is H box. H box. This is. This one is H box. Now we are going to put it in a vertical box. Vertical box means like this. So here we are going to put two check input buttons here like this. Okay. Okay. So here I will say bold. One other is italic. So this line will draw this one. Right? Understand? So here now you see I will run this program. Now see, this is the bold and italic. Okay, same program. This left, right, that one same. But see, when I click this, it is bold. When I uncheck, it is normal. When I click bold, uncheck normal. This is normal text now. When I click italic, normal, italic, normal. So what is the method you have for this one is, this is the method, is selected. Yani if I ikhtiyar bold, set font bold. This is the one. If I select this one, set font italic. Okay, see, if it is selected, okay, then check, see, if check bold button is selected, make it bold. If italic button is selected, make it italic. Okay, so what is this one? Font italic is font class. There is a class called font. So in the Microsoft Word, you can see Times New Roman, italic, what is the size, bold, all these things you will get no in the Microsoft Word. Sorry, here you see what is this one. This is the font, this is the size, this is bold. So all these are classes here. So this is one, this is for the bold. Okay, this is for the bold, this is for the italic. Settings, these are all the settings. Okay, what style, how much size, those things are set here like this. Okay, that's it. Now there is nothing to the previous program. We added this one and one box. What is that box? This one, vertical box. This box, green color box we added. Okay, see, add all. What you are adding? Bold checkbox, italic checkbox, and set that to the right. Yani this box we are going to set to the right side. This one. Okay, so this is the action event we are handling. See here, event handler E. So when this one is clicked, so for the button you have set on action, but for this checkbox, this is the method you have to check. See, for the button, where is that one? Set on action. When you click that, but when this checkbox, when you select this one, what is the method you are calling is this one, is selected, is selected. Okay, so handler set on action for the board, so it will handle this event, this one. Okay, set on action, but inside that what is the method? Is selected, checkbox is selected. Okay, for button you have set on action. Okay, so this is the checkbox demo, right? Then radio button, yani like a circle. Radio button are options like selecting the male, female, yes, no, like that options. So again the same story now. Radio button you want, you can just say here radio button RB1 is equal to new radio button. Okay, you give like this male, female or something. Okay, so this is the syntax. So this is the class, radio button class. So example to the previous program. Now see here, red. If I click this, the color of the this text should be become red. If I click this, the color should become green, blue. I will show that. See, now this is the previous program. This is the previous program. We will add to the right, left side. Okay, what is that one? The class name is checkbox demo. Okay, see, I told you what, this one, checkbox. Okay, that is checkbox. Okay, uh, checkbox. No, radio button. We want radio. Yes. Hmm. What I told you now, this one. Radio button. RB1 is equal to new radio button. This one. Red, green, blue. Which one you want? You put it. Red you want, green you want, blue you want. So three buttons will come. When I run this, see left, I am assigning to the left, right? See left. Last program we assigned this to right side. Okay, so this is the first button, RB green. When I click this, see red color. When I click this, green. Click this, blue. So these are the buttons. So these buttons we are adding it to the box pane. Which pane is this one? Vertical box. Okay. Next action. See if the red box is checkbox is selected, fill the color with red. So this is the code. Okay. Then if the green box is selected, green button is selected, then click it with fill this color with green. Then if it is blue, then blue. So this is the code for the blue, for the red, for the green. Okay, so these are all grouped with this one toggle group. They are grouped together, all the three buttons. So that's it. So same program, just we have modified, nothing new to that previous program. Understand? Radio button. Any questions you have here? So first we design this one, then we design this one, then we design this one. Now drop down we will go. So this is what this one, radio button. So text field, I already discussed to you what is text field. This is the text field, this one. Text, you have a class, okay, text field, not this one. Here we will put some box, input box. So text field is used to enter the string or display the string. So this is the method. Again the same logic. Only you have to use the class name. Okay. So here is the example. See here. Observe here. This one. Enter a message. This box is called text field. Inside you can write anything. Okay, so that one is this program. I will show text field demo. So as I told you, this is the simple method how to create the object. Text field TF is equal to new text. Where you want bottom, left, right, top, down, that you set here alignment. Okay, so I want it at the top, I want it at the right, where which place. So now when I run this one, now see this is the one. Hello students, like this I can enter some data there, or I can display the data. This is called text field. Okay. So this is used to enter the data or display the data. Text field is used to. See, this is simple. That's it. Program. Nothing. Only you are going to use this one and add it to the pane. So what is the pane you are using is border pane. So this one what you are using is border pane. This box. Okay. So border pane. What is a border pane? When you go back to your lecture 9, I think. There you can see how the border pane is aligned. Computer is slow, very slow. It's not coming. See why we use this border pane? The components, the nodes are arranged at the top, left, right, bottom. So because of this reason, we use this one border pane, because I want the text box in the top side. This one at the top place. So that is this one, text field. Now next is text area. Text area is used to enter multiple lines. For example, your address. Suppose you have to enter the address. Okay. So for example, it will be like this. Address. So there you will see the box like this. Yani you can enter multiple lines inside this. You can enter multiple lines. Like line 1, what is your flat number, postal box, P box, postal code, then Oman, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, this one. But here you cannot enter, everything is in the single line. So this is called text area. You can enter the data in multiple lines. So again the same story. So text field object is equal to new, text area object variable is equal to new text area. So this is the example. See this one. This is the area, text area. In that I am displaying some text. So this is where we'll show that. Text area now. See, this is the one. when I run this one, you want AC, put AC. Okay. Switch off if you want. If you don't want, okay, fine.
Okay for it.
For okay, so this is the one. This box, what you see now, this is called your text area. Okay, so here I am displaying this on image. So I have already stored this image here, Oman, this image. So this image I am displaying here. See, I am giving the title as Sultanate of Oman here. Omani national flag text description. So here I am giving this one. So you can add multiple lines here. So this area size is 450 rows and columns like this. Rows and columns, this one. This is a position. This actually is a position. Okay. My computer is very slow. So this is the one what you have. Text area demo. Then okay. So here I have this one. Okay, so this is the text area. How you can create a text area in the JavaFX. Okay, so here uh, the name of that one is description demo. Right. Next one, combo box, any drop down box. You can select the items from the combo box. So combo box means you will have like this. For example, city. Okay. So here you will have like this, and then you will have like this. So you have to select this one. So it will show you the box like this. So here you can select the names, no? So like start. Like this is what called combo box. Combo box. You can make a choice from the list of items. So same class combo box is equal to new combo box. It will be like this. So example, I will show. All pictures I am putting. See, there are different countries: Canada, China, Denmark, France, Germany, India, Norway, Oman, UK, US. All I stored here. This one: China, Denmark, France, Germany, India, Norway, Oman, UK, US. So this we are going to load now, okay, using this array. This is an array, okay, and this is the string, right? Now see here, combo box variable name is equal to new combo box. So to this only we have to add this India, China, Oman, France, etc. Right, see here, combo box dot left, this one, and then set the value, this one, and here this one, combo box dot add all. What we are adding? We are adding the items. What is there in the items? This is the list, flag titles, this one. These names we are going to see now. When I run this one, now see, this is the drop down box. All these are the names. So we can choose. Why this Oman is selected? Because I give here as this one, set value Sultanate of Oman. Any one default value I am setting. Whenever you open, always Oman is selected here. When you change here some other country, then some other country will be selected here. Okay, so when I click Canada, Canada display the Canada flag. China, China. France, France. UK, this one. America, okay. Oman, this one, Oman flag. Germany, Germany flag. So this is the program which we are going to create the combo boxes. See, combo box with the image and with the titles. Actually this is the one which we are displaying, but action what we are doing is, when you click that, you are going to get what is the value. See, cbo dot get value, combo box dot get value. So what is the value for that item? So we are going to get, okay, so if I see China, if I click China, then this image will be displayed, okay. Then the item what you are going to select is description for China. So here we have 7 countries, set display 7, no, Oman, uh, which one default? See, Oman we are displaying here. Okay, so like this you can create a combo box, and these items from the array list we are going to get it. FX collection. Okay, so this is the drop down box. Then last one, list and drop down. What is the difference is, you can see here we can select only one, we cannot have multiple, we cannot choose multiple here, but in the list we can choose multiple items. So that is this one, list view. Okay, you can have multiple or single values in this list. So how example, see, this is the list. See, I choose 1, 2, 3, then the 3 flags is displayed here. Let me show you here, list view. Again same program, instead of combo box I am using list view, LV. So this is an array list. In the array list we are going to add the strings, this one, these all names. and we are displaying there. Okay, so when I run this one, so these all you can exercise in the project. See, can you see now? Multiple. Press control button, this one, choose. If you want to remove again, this single or multiple. So this is a list. So how we are getting that all logic is given here. Okay. So you can use if you want in your projects or to make your interface look beautiful. So in that cases you can use these things. Now last topic is the box, dialog box. Sometimes it says like if I delete some file, for example, uh, this file, if I want to delete, see this is the box coming now. This box is called dialog box, so I can take the action here. Okay, so that is this one, dialog, JavaFX dialog. So dialog is a subclasses like alert class. They are all same. So dialogs, you have text input dialog, yani enter the password, like that the message will come. Or choose the country, choose the city. So these are the different options you will have in dialog boxes. So now alert, first we will go for alert. Alert is also a box. It is showing you some information like Windows is updated successfully, shut down, control press alter plus delete button, that information is displayed to you. So it can be a warning, it can be an error or confirmation or information. So four types are there in alerts. Information means, see, like this blue color will be there, yani nothing harm. See, this is a class alert, object is equal to new alert. What is the type of alert? Is it information, error, or not error, warning, or it is a, there are four types I'd say here, this one, warning, error, confirmation, information. So you can display like this when you use the graphical user interface. See, here we have this one, alerts. Alerts. Do I have this one? I think I don't have. Here in the list view only. See, this is the one. I put it here, alert. So here you have these four types of alerts: confirmation, error, information, none, warning. So you can choose anything. Set title as information message. I think it is not coming. Information header text now, content is information message. Okay, it is not displaying. You will see. But this is the syntax. How to use alert is like this. Okay, you want that window to be displayed like this, you have to put it. Warning means this type of color will come. We will not do that work. It will automatically, the system will show this type of message. Warning. Information means like blue color, I will be there, this one, I. This one, orange color. Error means like this it will come. Like our Windows is giving you this one. Same Windows is also giving you this type of things. Okay. Confirmation means you want to delete or no, yes or no. Like that you can choose this option. So this is the sample code for all those things. So 4 types of alerts are there. So lastly, you can do this one. I have given these in the project. Like, you have enter this one, employee ID, what is your salary, and what is your bonus. Then you click that button. You click that button, you can do some calculation here. Okay, so this type of design you can do. For the project I have given to you already. Did you see that one?
Email.
In the email I shared you this one. For each group, what is the title, what you have to do, that I have assigned here. When you go here in the drive, where is that drive? Look here. Okay, for example, this is the group, this they have to do, and you can refer to this Word document, group 1. So in the shared folder, I have this one, like this group 1 means this one. So when you open this file, okay, so this one. So you have to design like this. Okay, so here you are not going to type anything. When you click this button calculate, this value should be automatically displayed. So you are entering this one, you are entering this one, and this should be automatically done. So formula is this one. Okay, so like this for each group I have given. So for you, what is your group? Where are you? 5. So this one, BMI calculator. So you refer there, group 5. This already I shared to you, this folder. So group 5 you have to design like this. You enter here, you enter here, then you click this, the value should come here, and what is your advice, doctor advice. So you can follow this one. So this is for your group. So similarly for each group I have put different tasks. Okay, so this is for this car loan. So these are drop down box. This is also drop down. So enter here and select here, select here. When you click this one, monthly payment and total payment should be displayed. Okay, for each group I have given the tasks. So this is for the discount calculator. Suppose you buy, your total amount is this, 50% discount means when you click this, this value should come automatically. Okay, so this thing you have to do.